What is the better microphone, the Blue Snowball or the Blue Yeti? So I'm going to go ahead and start this video off by saying the audio that you're hearing right now has been edited and it is with the Blue Yeti microphone. But I'm going to go ahead and say the Blue Snowball is very good. It's an incredible microphone to use, especially if you're starting out on YouTube, because it's not that expensive. The Blue Ice is not something that I would get. The Blue Snowball is only a couple more dollars, and it gives you a few other features that the Blue Ice Snowball microphone does not give you. That being that this has 3 different switches on the back of the microphone to make the audio quality better if you have a fan going in the background and all of that sort of stuff. When it comes down to audio quality in your videos, in your podcast, in your live streams, and all of that sort of stuff, that is probably more important than what you have going on in the background of your video or what you're doing in your live stream. Nobody wants to listen to a bunch of dogs barking in the background, a bunch of doors slamming, your air conditioner going if it's 200 degrees out. Audio quality is a big deal when it comes down to content creation. So I wanted to do a versus series with the Blue Yeti and the Blue Snowball. Yes, I have both of them. I'm not going to put up a picture on the screen, use the same exact microphone, and tell you that I have both the microphones. This I still have because this is what I started doing YouTube with. The first month of me doing YouTube, I did use a headset microphone until I earned enough money to get the Blue Snowball. The Blue Yeti is something that I've been using for about a year now. I also want to thank Sleepless. I know you guys have seen him down in the comment section. He just barely sent me a $200 Amazon gift card to get my very first XLR microphone. So I'm going to be using the Audio-Technica AT2035 in a few more days. I'm just waiting for it to come in the mail off of Amazon. Making YouTube a dream come true, making Twitch a dream come true, and earning money from the content that you're making is nothing that you should feel guilty about whatsoever. Yes, if you start doing YouTube simply to only make money and do YouTube for nothing but money, then you might as well give up right now and stop making videos, stop streaming, because your main focus should be sharing videos that you want to share with the community on your channel, leaving comments, and the people that are there for you. But I'm going to go ahead and switch to some gameplay so that you can hear the quality test between the Blue Yeti, which is what I'm using right now, and the Blue Snowball, because I don't feel like changing my presets around inside of OBS. This is a series that we're going to have throughout probably the next like 3 weeks, because the whole new rule with YouTube where you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched on your channel in order to make YouTube a dream come true and earn money from your content that you're making. I am happy about that, and then I am also worried about that because I am not 100% positive if YouTube is going to be pushing smaller channels' videos out into the search box because there's not going to be ads on it. YouTube is a business. YouTube is a company. YouTube is out to make money. So if somebody makes the same video that you make and their video has advertisements on it, they're going to put that to the top of the search results because that video will earn them money. That is my only concern about this, because that's going to make it even more difficult for smaller channels to have their videos recognized. It's already hard. But regardless, blabber at this point, we're going to go ahead and swap over to some gameplay. That way you can hear the difference between the Blue Yeti and the Blue Snowball. Like I said, I did not want to start this video off with poor audio quality. So the audio that you're hearing right now has been edited. The only reason that I'm not going to test the audio in front of the camera is because I have presets inside of OBS to have an EQ. So I'm going to use some gameplay. That will be another video on how to make your microphone sound better. it's gonna be a series how to grow and make videos on YouTube and that sort of stuff. So blabber, I'm gonna go ahead and do that since you clicked the video to hear the audio quality test. We're gonna go ahead and swap over to the video editor. That way I can use my Blue Yeti and then use the Blue Snowball. You saw that I have both of the microphones, what I've been using, so let's do that. The audio that you're hearing right now is with the Blue Yeti. I have not used any audio editing software such as Audacity or in my video editing software, which is going to be another video that I have coming up for you guys very shortly on my top 5 video editing softwares. So let's go ahead and swap over to the Blue Snowball. This, my friends, is with the Blue Snowball. Blue. These are both very good quality microphones. The Blue Yeti is going to be a step up in the audio quality of your videos, your podcasts, your streams, and all of that sort of stuff. So you can probably hear a humongous difference from me not editing that audio and then using my Blue Yeti inside of OBS with the VST plugin using the reefer option inside of that, which I have already made a video on, but there are a couple of videos that I plan on making on how to make your microphone sound better. Editing your audio is a humongous deal. The VST plugin, I will link that video down in the description for you guys because it allows you to add a preset equalizer. You will never have to edit the audio ever again if you use OBS to record your videos, or if you want to go ahead and use OBS to record your commentaries, and then you can just unlink the video from the audio. So yeah, I just wanted to make a little video showing you guys the quality samples of the Blue Yeti and the Blue Snowball. You know, the Blue Snowball is a good microphone for the price. It's $50, $60. I would not recommend that you get the Blue Snowball Ice version because it does not have the 3 different switches on the back. The Blue Yeti has a couple of features that the Blue Snowball does not. One, you have the ability to mute your microphone with a simple mute button. You can adjust the gain on your Blue Yeti, which I would not recommend that you do whatsoever. You know, I have a sock and a pop filter over my microphone. The Blue Yeti picks up a crap load of background noise. There is a way to change how much background noise it picks up, which will be a video, like I said. The Blue Snowball, honestly, the number 2 setting on the Blue Snowball is probably better than the Blue Yeti if you don't have a sock and a freaking pop filter over it, because it doesn't pick up as much background noise. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to support it with a like if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Expect some OBS tutorials, some video editing tutorials, best microphone videos, and all of that sort of stuff throughout the next few weeks, because I do want to try to help as many smaller channels as I can. Audio quality, it's going to take you some time getting used to audio editing programs such as Audacity, or if your video editing software offers some sort of an audio editing program, you're going to want to take some time to learn how to do that, because nobody wants to listen to a crappy audio quality video, or nobody wants to listen to a bunch of crap in the background if you're live streaming. And then nobody wants to watch a freaking video with no commentary and a bunch of loud, obnoxious music, and the title is how to, and nothing is being explained. Don't do that. I hate that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to support it with a like if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know. I'm going to do that anyway. Once my Audio Technica 2035 comes in, I'm going to do that with the Blue Yeti as well, because that's another step up. Obviously, it's XLR versus USB, so you're going to be able to hear a huge difference compared to this video, where it's just a small difference. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to support it with a like if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any other topics or suggestions for videos that you would like me to explain to you as far as content creation goes, or streaming and that sort of stuff, please let me know down in the comment section below, because that would help me out a lot. So yeah, until the next one, peace.